Have you ever felt misunderstood, as if no one really knows you? Today, your guardian angels have a special message just for you. They have noticed a different side of your personality and, even though they know you very well, they are now wondering if they had a mistaken impression of you. The angels also affirm that someone has noticed an unexpected aspect of you. This person believed they knew you, but a recent event has made them question everything. The moment this revealing event occurred, something inside you and in the gaze of that person, in particular, changed irreversibly. A simple event, an action, a word, managed to radically alter the way you are perceived. More than that, it started a process of continuous transformation, both in you and in that person's perception. This is not just a case of being misunderstood or casually surprising someone. It is about a profound and significant revelation of your innate complexity. Now, the person who believed they knew every facet of you is faced with a true enigma. They have realized, perhaps for the first time, that you are not an open book, but a library full of untold stories, unexpressed thoughts, and hidden emotions. This insight has led them to question their own perceptions, recognizing that the image they had of you was, at best, incomplete, and at worst, completely wrong. However, it is crucial to understand that it is not your responsibility to shape or control others' perceptions. What really matters is how you see yourself and how you decide to live your life. As long as you stay true to your values, act with integrity, and take pride in your authenticity, those who are genuinely interested in knowing the real you will have the opportunity to appreciate the breadth of your personality. In this crucial moment of discovery, when the curtain lifted to reveal the true essence of your being, something transformative happened not only for you but also for that person who was by your side. They who until then lived by assumptions and superficial judgments, now find themselves in a deep and undeniable reality about who you really are. This revelation acted like a beacon, illuminating not only your true nature but also the vital importance of keeping an open mind and a heart ready to explore the unknown. The gratitude they feel for this change in perspective is palpable. They now understand that without this willingness to see beyond appearances, they would have missed the chance to form a genuine and meaningful connection with someone as extraordinary as you. The way you face life, with a rare combination of joy and depth, optimism and awareness, has become a source of admiration for them. Your ability to find humor in small things without losing sight of the serious issues that shape our world is a skill that few possess. This new perception of you has opened a horizon of possibilities and reflections, both for them and for you. The understanding that we are more than we appear to be is a powerful truth that transforms relationships and deepens connections. They now realize that every gesture of yours, every word spoken, carries a depth that they had not been able to see before. This transformation is an invitation for them, and for everyone around you, to embrace the complexity and beauty of the human being in its entirety. Moreover, this journey of discovery is an opportunity for them to learn to appreciate every nuance of your personality, every detail that makes up the incredible person you are. It is a constant reminder that true beauty lies in authenticity, in the ability to be vulnerable and honest with yourself and others. This new perspective not only enriches your relationship but also their personal growth, encouraging them to be more open, understanding, and empathetic. You in turn can feel empowered by this revelation, knowing that someone finally sees and appreciates you as a whole. This recognition is a testament to your courage in being true, in showing all facets of your being, even those that sometimes may seem complex or difficult to understand. It is proof that authenticity is the path to deep and meaningful connections. You are seen as a person whose intelligence shines brightly in captivating conversations, leaving a lasting impression on everyone around you. Your passion for your interests is contagious, making others instantly drawn to and inspired by you. He is currently extremely interested in learning more about you because you have captivated him in a way few people have before. Your actions and interactions, always marked by innate kindness and attention, even with those you barely know, are impressive. This behavior speaks louder than any deliberate attempt to impress. Your authenticity emerges as a powerful force, dispelling any previous misunderstandings and proving that the simplicity of being is more impactful than any effort to shape others' perceptions. Your ability to look beyond appearances and give people the benefit of the doubt is a rare and precious quality. Through a conscious and deliberate effort to understand others in their entirety before forming any opinions about them, you stand out as a beacon of empathy and understanding. This approach has not only enriched your life with genuine friendships and deep connections, but also transformed you into a source of inspiration for those around you. People are drawn to your warm presence and your ability to make them feel valued and understood. Each interaction you have is permeated by a sincerity that captivates and comforts. You demonstrate a genuine interest in the well-being of those around you, creating an environment where everyone feels free to be authentic. Your ability to listen attentively and respond with empathy has built bridges and deepened relationships, making it clear that you value every individual you meet. Moreover, your ability to remain true to yourself, even in the face of challenges, reveals an admirable inner strength. This resilience and authenticity make people trust you and seek your company for guidance and support. Your ability to see the best in people and inspire them to be their best selves is a rare gift that you exercise with naturalness and grace. Your presence not only lights up the room but also touches the hearts of all who are fortunate to know you. The way you combine intelligence and empathy, passion and kindness, makes you a truly exceptional person. You not only impress with your intellectual capacity but also with the depth of your character and the sincerity of your actions. Your life, marked by these extraordinary qualities, is living proof that authenticity and simplicity are the most powerful forces one can possess. You inspire everyone around you to be more empathetic, understanding, and true to themselves. This inspiration not only enriches their lives but also transforms them, creating a lasting and positive impact on the world around you. The influence you have had on someone, inspiring them to adopt this same empathetic and open approach, is a living testament to the profound impact you can have as a formidable human being. Your living example of acceptance and understanding has acted as a catalyst for significant change in how this person perceives and interacts with the world around them. By adopting your mindset, they have not only opened themselves up to a richer and fuller existence, but also become a vehicle for spreading these values of kindness and unconditional understanding. By encouraging others to be kinder and less judgmental, you have highlighted the true meaning of being extraordinary. This is not only a testament to your exceptional character, but also serves as a powerful reminder of how you have evolved throughout your journey. The people who have crossed your path, the experiences you have faced, all have contributed to shaping you into a more compassionate, respected, and balanced person. You have found in adversity not an obstacle but a stepping stone for personal and spiritual growth. Each challenge you faced was transformed into an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. This process of continuous evolution has not only strengthened your character, but also given you the wisdom and resilience to face life with a renewed and optimistic perspective. One should recognize and celebrate how far you have come, the depth of the transformations you have experienced, and the positive impact you have on others. Your journey is a source of inspiration, not only for those lucky enough to know you personally, but also for anyone who hears your story. You are living proof that kindness, empathy, and openness can truly change the world, one person at a time. For this, you have every reason to be proud and find great satisfaction in who you are and the legacy you are building. Your ability to touch people's lives with your positive and open attitude is a testament to the strength of your spirit. Every interaction you have is an opportunity to spread that inner light you carry, and this does not go unnoticed. Your influence is felt in every gesture, every word of encouragement, every smile you share. The way you approach life with an open heart and a receptive mind creates an environment where people feel valued and understood. Your journey is marked by moments of overcoming where you chose the path of compassion over resentment, understanding over judgment. These moments define who you are today and inspire others to follow a similar path. Your ability to turn challenges into opportunities for growth is a valuable lesson we can all learn from. Every step you take, every decision you make, is guided by a deep sense of empathy and a desire to do good. This not only enhances your life, but also enriches the lives of those around you. You are a true source of inspiration, showing everyone that true strength lies in kindness and the ability to understand and accept others as they are. It is important to celebrate all your achievements and the positive impact you have on the world. Your story is a beacon of hope and motivation, reminding us that with empathy and compassion, we can make a real difference in people's lives. You are a living example that kindness and understanding can change the world, one person at a time, and for this, you deserve all the recognition and admiration. Remember, you are enough, exactly as you are. This is not just a statement, it is an invitation to fully embrace your authenticity, recognizing that your journey of growth and transformation is both valuable and necessary. It is essential to understand that any personal evolution should be a reflection of your intrinsic desire to expand and flourish, never a compromise to conform to others' expectations. Those who have the privilege of truly knowing you, of diving into the depths of your personality and experiencing the breadth of your being, find themselves facing an indomitable force of character and an integrity that inspires. Indeed, there will be individuals who, by choice or circumstance, decide to remain on the sidelines, opting not to venture beyond the surfaces. To these eyes, your nuances and complexities may remain unseen, their perceptions of you no more than shallow shadows of the true substance that makes up your being. However, it is fundamental to recognize that their assessments, limited by their own experiences and perspectives, should not distort your self-image or self-esteem. The right to define who you are belongs solely to you, and the value of your connections rests on the quality of sincerity and mutual understanding. On this journey, you are called to pursue only those friendships and relationships that resonate with the truth of your heart, that celebrate your wholeness, and that embrace the entirety of your being. Authenticity is the foundation upon which the most meaningful relationships are built, relationships that not only survive but thrive in honesty, respect, and genuine love. Therefore, remain unwavering in your essence, open in your emotions, and true in your path. Be aware that the diversity of perspectives is a reflection of the rich human experience. Discrepancies between values and principles, while they may be sources of challenge, are also opportunities for understanding and growth. Your willingness to share your truth with the world is a precious gift, not only for those fortunate enough to be touched by your light, but also for yourself, as a constant reminder of the transformative impact of authenticity. By doing so, you allow others to witness the beauty of your genuine existence, offering them the opportunity to be enriched by your presence. This is the essence of the message your guardian angels wish to convey to you, a reminder that by staying true to yourself, you not only go through life with grace and purpose, but also become a beacon of inspiration for all those who cross your path. Allow yourself to recognize and honor all facets of your being. Every detail of your personality, every experience lived, contributes to the incredible person you are today. Do not let superficial opinions or judgments undermine your worth or divert you from your path. Your authenticity is a rare jewel, a source of light that should not be overshadowed by the shadows of external insecurities. And as you move forward, continue to cultivate relationships that value and respect your true essence. Engage with those who not only accept but celebrate the wholeness of who you are. These deep and meaningful connections will be the foundation upon which you build a life rich in love, understanding, and mutual support. And remember, these true relationships are reflections of your own capacity to love and be loved unconditionally. The diversity of perspectives around you is an opportunity to learn and grow. Face each challenge as a chance to strengthen your resilience and expand your understanding of the world and the people in it. By doing so, you not only enrich your own life but also contribute to a more empathetic and connected world. Always be aware that your truth and inner light have the power to transform not only your own life, but also those of the people lucky enough to cross your path. Your example of authenticity and integrity serves as a beacon, guiding others to be equally true to themselves. And by inspiring this authenticity, you contribute to a world where acceptance and understanding are the norm, not the exception. At the end of the day, know that you are loved and appreciated exactly for who you are. Your journey is a testament to courage, authenticity, and love. Continue to shine your unique light and allow it to touch and inspire everyone around you. You are undoubtedly a positive and transformative force in this world, and for that, you deserve all the recognition and love life has to offer. I want to conclude with a prayer for you. Lord, in this sacred moment and with a heart full of faith, I lift my prayers to you. I ask that the light of your divine presence illuminates the true essence of this person listening to me, allowing the purity and depth of their character to unfold before the eyes of all who surround them. May this revelation inspire in every heart the courage to be authentic, fearless in the face of others' judgments, and through this example, may many be moved to cultivate an open mind and a generous spirit. I implore, Lord, that you grant her the unbreakable strength to remain true to herself, even in life's storms, standing firm and serene in the face of adversities and misunderstandings. May her journey be a beacon of hope and inspiration, motivating others to discover the beauty of empathy and mutual understanding, thereby forging truer and more meaningful connections. Wrap her, Lord, in the mantle of your unconditional love and divine protection, ensuring that in every step of her journey, she feels your comforting presence. May her path be abundantly adorned with genuine bonds of friendship and love, finding admiration and respect in the hearts of those who truly understand and value her nature and essence. Under your grace, may her life reflect the beauty of authenticity and genuine love, serving as a living testament to your goodness and mercy. May each day be a new opportunity to experience and share the fullness of her being, finding in every new dawn the promise of your infinite guidance and blessings. Amen. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that fuels the cycle of good karma. Let us uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now and be attentive to the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.